For the record, I am the flesh and breathing man.
All right. Well, I'm glad you're breathing. So,
For the record, I wanted to make it known that I'm here on special appearance under threat, duress, and coercion. I need to know the jurisdiction this court is operating under.
so have a seat. Do you understand? Yes or no?
I do not understand.
All right. Do you understand what it means to take a seat?
I do understand.
All right. So take a seat.
If I don't come here, warrants will be placed, which I will be kidnapped and held hostage, and I do not want that.
Mr. Casanova, in the human flesh. I'm going to stop you right there. And I want you to hear me clearly.
All right, guys, today we've got a sovereign citizen going up against Judge Boyd, and this one's a little different though. Judge Boyd's taking a completely different approach than most judges we see. She's actually trying to defeat this sovereign citizen with kindness, and honestly, I'm kind of here for it. She's pretty much playing 40 chess while this guy's stuck in checkers. Let me know what you guys think about Judge Boyd's strategy. While you're watching, let's go ahead and dive in and watch Judge Boyd dismantle this idiot sovereign citizen live in court.
Hello. How's it going?
It'll be better.
All right. So my understanding, you want to represent yourself? All right. You're more than welcome to represent yourself. But here's the thing. Everybody says that they can be an attorney because all attorneys do is talk. That's what people think. But they don't realize there's a lot of knowledge, experience, and wisdom behind that.
Absolutely.
So if you want to have a jury trial where you represent yourself, you're more than welcome to do so. But once it's set for trial, it's going to trial. And no one's going to be helping you. The state is not going to say, hey, we see that you really don't know the rules. So let me tell you this rule. They're not going to be doing that. My job is not going to be to help you with objections, help you with motions. That's 100% you. Do you understand?
I do. And are we on the record?
No, we're not on the record. What, you want to put something on the record?
Oh, yes, definitely.
Sure. All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 2974, State of Texas Vector versus Hector Casanova. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? And are you Hector Casanova?
No, for the record, I am the flesh and breathing man. I'm here on a special appearance to clarify any misunderstanding. I am not the legal fiction known as Hector J. Casanova that is on the information there. I just have a few questions to clarify some things.
All right. So if you would like to clarify some things, then the person I need to speak to is the flesh and blood man known as Hector Casanova.
Yes, I'm the flesh and blood man, Hector Casanova Jr.
All right. So you are Hector Casanova, correct?
I am Hector Casanova Jr., the flesh and breathing man.
All right. Well, I'm glad you're breathing. So what did you want to place on the record?
Well, first, I don't understand the charges that are being brought against me. There are some clarifications I do want to.
All right. So just 1 second. But before we get to that, have you been given a copy of the indictment?
No, I have not.
All right. So we're going to get you a copy of the indictment. Just give me a moment. All right. Have a seat. We're going to come back on the record with this.
All right.
So we're back on the record in 2024 CR 2974, State Vex versus Hector Casanova. All right, Mr. Casanova, here's the thing. And I want you to hear me clearly, right? I am not your attorney. The document that has been given you is a copy of the indictment. I'm not to give you information about your indictment. That's the indictment. That's what we're here for. So any questions that you would have about that indictment, you're going to have to answer those for yourself. Otherwise, the person who will be telling you about what the indictment means and what the numbers are, that will be an attorney. Do you understand?
I do not understand.
Oh, you don't understand? Okay, let's order a company evaluation then. Seriously, at this point, I just feel like we need to update the law just for these sovereign citizens. I mean, could you guys even imagine if we had a law that actually prevented these guys from wasting everybody's time, something like a mandatory reality check exam before they could even argue their own case? Maybe we should just give them an exam like all pro-se. Defendants should take this exam, and if they pass, they can represent themselves. If not, then they need a lawyer for sure. I mean, these people are literally out here thinking they can just say, I'm not subject to your laws, as if it's going to stop a judge from handing down a ruling. Like, I've never seen that happen, though. These people really need to realize that the Constitution's already got it covered, and no amount of paperwork they bring is going to change the fact that laws apply to them too. These people really Need to lay off the crayons.
What that means is, for example, we can go off the record. I'm giving you a hypothetical. All right. Let's say you needed surgery and you're in the middle of the wilderness. You need surgery. And you tell me and you tell the doctor, guess what? I'm performing this surgery on my own. I don't need you. I'm walking out of the hospital. I'm going to go in the desert. Now, maybe the doctor would try to stop you and do other things. But if you go in that desert by yourself, don't tell the doctor where you are. You take a scalpel out in the desert by yourself. You don't get to call the doctor and say, hey, I'm in the middle of the desert performing surgery. I'm going to be my own anesthesiologist. I'm doing all of this. How do you do this? Because they're not going to tell you. It's the same thing here. You're saying that you do not want to be represented by an attorney. You want to represent yourself. So that motion, that indictment, I'm not to tell you anything about what that indictment is. The state is not to tell you, oh, this is what this indictment means. This is the range of punishment. Those are things that you're supposed to do. Do you understand?
I still don't understand.
All right. So just have a seat. This is what's going to end up happening. You're going to have an attorney. That attorney is going to come over to the court right now. You're going to speak to that attorney. After you speak to that attorney, we're going to go forward. Ms. Ferguson, can you call manage to sign counsel and let them know that we need an attorney over here? And that attorney will talk to you. That attorney will tell you what that indictment means. That attorney will tell you the range of punishment. Do you understand?
I still don't understand.
All right. Well, I don't know how I can further make you understand.
Are we on the record?
Yeah. All right. Norma, get someone from manage to sign counsel here, please. All right. Just have a seat and we're going to have an attorney come down. All right.
I would like to ask some questions on the record, if I may, while I have your time here.
Oh, no. Let me just tell you, you'll have my time till 5 o'clock because that's how long we're here. What is going to end up happening is an attorney from manage to sign counsel is going to come down. Do you understand?
I do not understand because I don't feel like I am needing an attorney because I'm here to represent myself as the flesh and breathing man, Hector Casanova Jr. Let's see. All right. So let the record of the court show that I, Hector Casanova
Just one
Jr.
second.
The accused
Just
in
one
the
stop.
Yes, sir.
All right. We're on the record. So what did you want the record to reflect?
So let the record of the court show that I, Hector Casanova Jr., the accused in this criminal action, has asked the court to divulge the nature and cause of the accusation upon the authority of the Sixth Amendment, and that this court has failed in its duty to inform me of the nature and cause of this action.
Man, this guy is just digging himself a bigger hole with every word, like he literally can't even keep track of his own lies. The judge already laid it out for him clear as day what he's being accused of, and yet he's still sitting there acting like he has no idea what's going on. It's like this dude thinks the more he stalls, the more his little sovereign citizen script will work. Newsflash, buddy, it is not working. It's just embarrassing at this point. I mean, how do you come into a courtroom, get told what you're being charged with, and then act like the truth doesn't even matter? It just seems like he's putting on a whole performance here. And let's also not forget, lying in court is perjury, a very serious crime. So I don't know how the judge is going to go about that, but she laid it out clear and he's lying right to her face. So it's not looking too good for this guy.
Furthermore,
let me
let the
stop
record
you.
also show.
Mr. Casanova, let me ask you a question. Have you been given a copy of the indictment?
I believe so, yeah.
All right. So let the record reflect that Mr. Casanova has been given the copy of the indictment. And the copy of the indictment, it tells him what he is charged with. You may continue.
Now, these charges, are they civil? Is this a civil charge or a criminal charge?
All right. That is something that if you had an attorney to represent you, they would be able to tell you. What the court can tell you is that you are in a felony court and this is a criminal court.
Okay. This being a criminal, let the record of the court show that the action against me is criminal action. My following question would be, the Constitution grants this court two types of criminal jurisdiction. Criminal jurisdiction under the common law and criminal jurisdiction under the admiralty or military tribunal. In which of these two jurisdictions does this court intend to try me?
All right, so this is what is going to happen, Mr. Casanova. Someone from managed assigned counsel is going to come over and you can speak with them or not speak with them. But the questions that you are asking the court are not, some of them are not in any shape, form, or fashion related to the fact that you're in a criminal district court. Do you understand?
I do not understand.
Okay.
But I don't think you'll be violating your oath of office if you did your duty under the Constitution. I am not seeking legal advice. What I want to know is legal intent.
Mhm.
I have the right to appear as myself in my own person without a licensed attorney. In order to intelligently defend myself, I need to know the jurisdiction this court is operating under.
Mhm.
Let's see. So therefore, will you please answer the question so that way this court is properly identified?
All right, you're in the 187 District Court. It's a criminal court. You're on the 4th floor.
Thank you. This Constitution grants this court two types of criminal jurisdiction. Criminal jurisdiction under the common law and criminal jurisdiction under
All right, I'm going
admiralty or military
to counsel.
tribunal.
I'm sorry, Mr. Casanova, in the human flesh. I'm going to stop you right there. What is going to end up happening, I want you to hear me clearly. An attorney is coming over for managed assigned counsel, period. That's it. So have a seat. Managed assigned counsel will come over. Do you understand? Yes or no?
I do not understand.
All right. Do you understand what it means to take a seat?
I do understand.
All right. So take a seat.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Usually I hate soft judges because I think they're totally ineffective, like a lot of judges handling sovereign citizens just don't do it right, but honestly I don't think Judge Boy is soft, by the way, but she's just got this calm, collected approach that works perfectly for this idiot though, and I think this might be the best way to handle these idiots. I think yelling at them only makes them more and more annoying, but you can tell Judge Boy is like very, very smart in this one, and she's processing every single answer very, very wisely. I mean, she's practically handling it like a pro, and this dude is getting outsmarted in every single aspect, and the best part about this whole thing, he has absolutely no idea. He thinks he's got it all figured out, but she's literally playing him like a fiddle here. It's honestly kind of hilarious watching this dude walk right into every single trap she sets without even realizing it. Let me know what you guys think. How do you think she's handling it so far? Let's back in.
We have talked.
Mhm.
I've informed him that I'm here, to help him in whatever he needs help with.
Mhm.
He's going to consider what help he thinks he might need from me, and I know he wants to put something on the record.
Okay. All right. And so you'll be appointed as standby
Yes.
counsel then?
I've kind of explained my role and what that means and how I can help him with something as simple as e-filing or that type of thing. So
All right. We're going to go back on the record in 2024 CR 2974, State versus Hector Casanova. Mr. Casanova, if you'll come forward. Yes. All right. So, Mr. Casanova, Mr. Bonk is going to be your standby counsel. And that's someone that if you have questions, you can ask him legal questions or what you may have.
Thank you for your consideration.
All right.
Uh,
And he informed me you wanted to place something on the record?
yes, for the record, I wanted to make it known that I'm here on special appearance under threat, duress, and coercion.
All right. Who threatened or coerced you to come to court?
The county of Bear, Texas.
How
State.
so?
Well, if I don't come here, then warrants will be placed, which I will be kidnapped and held hostage, and I do not want that. So that's why I'm here under special appearance to clarify any misunderstandings and to let it be known where I stand on the record.
Okay. Is there anything else?
I said everything that needed to be said.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to recall your case in 1 month. It's going to be a discovery setting. So that's to make sure that you have all the information that the state has concerning your case. Do you understand?
I do understand.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a 30-day reset for Mr. Casanova. And after you receive all the discovery, then the next setting is going to be a plea deadline date. The state will tender an offer to you at the next setting. And then I'll give you your plea deadline date, and you can accept the state's offer or come to an agreement or not. If you're unable to come to an agreement at that time, it'll be scheduled for jury trial.
Thank you, Ms. Boyd.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
I have no further questions.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson is going to give me a date, and then you'll sign it. Mr. Bach will sign it to signify when you're to come back. All right.
I appreciate your time.
All right, you're welcome, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court. What date, Ms. Ferguson? All right, so we'll be back on July 29th. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Yes.
If something were to come up and I need to maybe reschedule that date, is that a possible thing to
You'll
come
need-
up ahead of time?
You'll need to speak to the court coordinator, and they will let you know. I will tell you the rescheduling of cases. Are you in the hospital? You're not in the hospital, you need to be here.
Okay,
You understand?
so pretty much no excuse, be here.
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know why this goofy is smiling like he literally knowingly pulled this clueless act and now he's trying to be all buddy-buddy with the judge. Come on, man, we are not buying it. And then the fact that he asked her if it would be okay to move the court date, that's just so sus to me. This dude definitely wants a now and just dodge the whole thing, but little does this clown know that's only going to make things worse for him. He's out here thinking he can just play the system, but all he's really doing is digging a deeper hole. I'm honestly shocked by how smiley he is through all this, though it's kind of creepy in my opinion, though I don't know how you guys feel about it, but it just feels so disingenuous. Like I really wonder if the sovereign citizen has any clue what he's getting himself into. I mean, if he keeps this up, the law isn't going to let him keep avoiding responsibility. The judge already gave him every chance to turn things around, but he is literally out here acting like he's got it all under control. Spoiler alert, he does not. The more he goes down this road, the more it's going to come back to bite him. And honestly, I cannot wait to see how this plays out, but I'm guessing it won't be pretty for him. This one was just a weird one for me, but I really enjoyed how Judge Boy handled this one. I think she was definitely outclassing him and just overall pretty much schooled him here. Let me know what you guys thought about Judge Boy in this one. I think she was pretty good in this, but yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought. I love reading your guys' comments, so I always make sure to read your guys' comments. I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed content like this. I post every single day, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope all you guys are doing good. Take care.